One of the mistakes that we do is that we identify with our thoughts. You know, so if a thought comes into our head, I'm not good enough, or I'm not useful, or whatever, yeah, we believe these thoughts and we identify with this I, yeah, and that's a big mistake. And it's really important for us, to learn to disassociate ourselves from that. It is a thought. It's not myself. It is something that comes and appears in my consciousness, in my awareness. I hear these voices in my head saying, this voice saying, you're not good enough, yeah, or you'll never make it, or life is terrible, or whatever, yeah. And we don't have to identify with it. It's important to create this distance and to know that there is me and there is these thoughts, and these words, that come from somewhere. They will come from an old pattern, an old belief that is somewhere in us still operating. And each time we believe it, we power it, and we give it more kind of recognition, and we adopt it, and into our life. It says, "This is me. It's not you. Nothing to do with you. It's just thought." Yeah, so create this distance and look at it. Yeah, I said, "Oh, okay. I know you. I heard you before. I've seen you before. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, but you separate yourself. You disassociate, and you don't believe. You don't have to believe it. We don't have to believe our thoughts. Don't believe everything. Everything that comes up into our mind. We could question it. Ask for proof. Prove to me that life is terrible. Prove to me that I'm no good, or whatever. Prove it. Yeah. And argue with it. But it's a separate thing. It is not you. It's a thing. And you argue with it and you question it. Yeah. It's really important to disassociate. Look after yourself. And remember, you're not your thoughts. And you're not your feelings, or you're not your emotions. You're something else. Much greater and much more wonderful than this. And gradually teach yourself to separate. And find out who you are for real. This wonder of life. Look after yourself. Be well. Bye-bye.